So this is the first video in the series. We're down on the property, and I think we're going to cut up a tree that we didn't get to the other day that fell down in the field, and then we're just going to go riding around. So hope you enjoy your video visit. Jams in the creek, and the creek overflowed and pushed all that water out in the field. And so we spent some time cleaning that up, and hopefully we got out most of the big logs, but we're always on the lookout. So.
And there's one up ahead we're gonna get.
Alright, we got that done. We came out here the other day to do it, but I went to put on a new blade, and I was tightening these up a little bit and then tighten the chain up, and I forgot to tighten these all the way down, and I lost a nut. So got a new nut from Amazon and came back out and we finished that job. Okay, so we're gonna head up the hill. Kind of got washed out a little bit during the big rain we had back in the early spring, about 7 inches of rain. So part of this trail got washed out. Hopefully it's still passable. I think it is. But we'll find out. Definitely kind of washed out, so we'll maybe someday work on that and have that as a video. We stopped to get a limb out of the trail, and looking around and saw the wildflowers around, so we found 3 real close by, so we just thought we'd take a look at those. First one's the wild blue phlox. See quite a bit of that around. And I got a neat red one over here. I think it's called fire pink, as far as we can tell. And back behind there is the yellow wood poppy.
And the dogwood trees are blooming.
And the dogwood trees are blooming. Maybe we'll get a picture of those. Oh, you can see it behind me. And then there's lots more though. If we see wildflowers, we'll let you know. All right, so we're driving along up top the hill, and there's a tree kind of in the trail, so we're just going to take care of a few of the limbs. We're not going to cut up the whole tree by any means, but help us get by there without scraping up everything. And, cool. right, yet again, just going down the trails. We're just kind of keep them clean of trees and things that just fall. So we need to go down this little trail here to get back to the main one, and we'll cut it up real quick and be on our way. All right. So that's the south hill. Now we're kind of going to go into north hill up the trail. We don't have the names of the trails picked out quite yet, but this is probably just as steep a hill as any. But we'll check out a few pawpaws and head back. I was down here the other day and found another pawpaw patch. As you can kind of see, the flowers have come off and they're starting to go, but this one's just coming out and they're starting to leaf out. But there's several around here. You can kind of see the flowers on them. And I saw some bigger ones just right back there. So definitely check this area out in late September for pawpaws.
What you doing?
Vine decided to crawl up one of my little pawpaw trees. No way, Jose. Yeah, this is a trail we cleared out this spring. Didn't know about it really. Kind of gets overgrown quick, but we got it all cleared out. So we'll take it down. Takes us down to the hidden field. so much for watching today. We drove around some trails and cleaned those up, which seems to be a non-stop effort. But there's lots else to do. Pull out the tractor here soon. It's an old Ford 600 series. So need to change oil and stuff like that. So I'll show you how to do that. Lots of other stuff to do. Maybe get some planting stuff done as well. Hey, we'll see you next time. Thanks.